Hello everyone, I am Milan Chauhan. I am from Innovative Science School. I am taking your physics in 11-12 science. First of all, congratulations to the student of standard 10 for your best result. We are starting online session for new 11 science and we are already started our admission process in new 11 science. So let's come and join us. We are starting chapter number 3 in 11 science. It is motion in a straight line. First of all, what is motion? Motion is a change in position with respect to time. What is motion? Motion is a change in position with respect to time. Here you can see one object is change in position with respect to time. There are mainly three physical quantities in a motion in a straight line. First one is position, second one is path length, and third one is displacement. Okay, let's start with position. Here I put one dot. What is the position of this dot? We cannot define. For the position, we need to take one reference point. What is reference point? Where it is come from? It comes from the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Suppose this dot is with respect to x in 2 cm and with respect to y it is in 3 cm. Then what is the position of this dot? 2 and 3 cm. Now we will define second physical quantity. It is path length. What is path length? Path length is total distance covered by any object. What is path length? It is a total distance covered by any object. Suppose we take one point, P point, it is in 0 km. Suppose we take Q point, it is in 20 km with respect to P. Suppose we take another point, R point, it is also 20 km with respect to Q. Now, what is the path length with respect to P? The distance between P and R is 40 km. The distance between P and R is 40 km. What is path length? It is a total distance between starting point and ending point. Okay? Now, we will define another physical quantity. This is displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is a distance between starting point and ending point. Or in other words, what is displacement? Displacement, it is a distance between ending point and starting point. Suppose we take one example. P point in 0 km, Q point 20 km with respect to P and R point 20 km with respect to Q. Now, what is the displacement between P and Q? Displacement is a distance between ending point and starting point. What is ending point? Q point is a ending point and P point is a starting point. Then distance between P and Q is 20 km. Suppose ending point is R. Now, what is the displacement? Displacement is a distance between ending point and starting point. What is ending point? R point. What is starting point? P point. Then distance between ending point and starting point is equal to 40 km. Now, one question is arise in your mind. What is the difference between displacement and path length? Sometimes path length and displacement are same, but sometimes path length and displacement are not same. Here we can take another example for this. Suppose P point in 0 km, Q point in 20 km, R point in 20 km. Now we take one path P, Q, R and we go R to backward Q. What is the displacement between P and Q? What is the displacement between P and Q? It is 20 km. Why? Because displacement is distance between ending point and starting point. Now, what is the path length? Path length for same example. We go P to Q point 20 km, Q to R point 20 km and R to Q point 20 km backward. But displacement is ending point and starting point. Here path length is total distance covered by the object. What is total distance covered by the object here? 60 in kilometer. Okay? We will discuss another physical quantity in the next lecture. Thank you. Come and join our